back to my channel, and today I am just doing another clean with me. Honestly, I think this is the messiest my house has been in a while, so I thought I would just do a video this morning for you guys and see how it goes. So you guys asked if I would do a couple more commentaries over the video, so I will do that in this video. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give the video a like. And I'm starting out this video with just making my bed. I wanted to change the sheets. It's been a couple weeks since I've done them, and I don't usually let them go that much. I found a sock inside the bed sheet. You never know what you're going to find in those suckers. But I'm just going to start with the master bedroom and work through that and try to get some of this house clean. In the bathroom, it's not really that bad this time. I just wanted to wash the counters, wash the sinks, wash the mirrors. Right now I'm just adding some water into my mister. I still had some essential oils in it. And for the cleaner that I am going to be using in the bathroom is my Method. It's the purple cleaner. It's all-purpose cleaner, and I will be using some Windex spray on the mirrors as well.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just word was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no.
Now I'm just in the beauty space. I'm trying to clean up. I was filming a video this morning, so now it's time to pick up and move everything back where it belongs and put everything back where it belongs. That is the point of filming. You always use 20 different products, but you just see me here just moving around everything, and that is pretty much all I'm doing in the beauty space.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. We can never go back this road. You never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. You never go back
cleaning the animal room, the birds are always so messy. I swear I do this like 2 to 3 times a day. The cockatoo likes to take his food and just reach out of his cage and throw it on the floor. It's what always happens in here every single time. So this is just something that I do, like I said, probably 2 to 3 times a day. But I love my birds, and they're so worth it. They make me happy, and they're always making me laugh around the house.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no lust. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. Someone told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all disposable? It don't matter, break your cuffs. We go on and we will never stop. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love and there's no lust, whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was the bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you. So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never chest against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
And now I'm just finished cleaning up the kitchen, putting the dishes away. That seems to be the one thing that I always have so much of is dishes, because I always do a lot of cooking and baking. And I will be putting some more cooking and baking videos up on my channel starting next week. So I am going to get back into doing that full force. So I just thought I would let you guys know about that.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is bitter. At me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is bitter.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you'll be notified every single time that I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.